How do you make your white cabinet, gray countertop, white subway tile, and stainless steel appliances stand out from your neighbors? Somehow the different subway tile doesn't change the look that much. Do you dare place color on one or more of your appliances? That will certainly change the look. Many colors have been discontinued over the years for various reasons. You may have a problem replacing that broken truffle brown range in 6 to 10 years. In this video, you'll learn all about the most popular finishes to consider, and more importantly, how to apply a unique color in your kitchen. Lastly, we'll wrap up the benefits of stainless steel just in case you default to stainless out of frustration. If you choose stainless steel in the end, don't feel bad. I chose all stainless steel appliances in my renovation in 2017. Black stainless steel was popular 6 years ago. It was an oxide coating that turned out to be easily peelable. Also, it wasn't covered in a warranty, so right now millions of homes have peeled appliances. Black has returned as a finish. Fisher-Paykel Cafe, Blue Star Viking, and La Cornue offer black finishes. The Cafe collection has a decent matte black finish, while Fisher-Paykel has a high gloss finish if you want to spend less than a Viking or Blue Star. Back when I started, white was the premium color. It was white on white with no accent colors and you paid more for it. Many companies now offer white. For New Englanders, white is a nice traditional look, especially when combined with brass or copper accents. Cafe appliances have become a popular, affordable luxury brand. It's different, good looking, doesn't cost a fortune, and is available with copper or brass accents. If you want to be truly unique, you should consider a custom color. Without question, La Cornue executes color better than anyone. Looks like furniture. The whole range is customizable from the top to the different trim finish, and La Cornue can customize anything. La Cornue's Paris showroom features a range with the front designed by a French graffiti artist. You can also choose their base colors and trims. However, it starts at $30,000. They manufacture a more standard, less expensive Cornue Face series, which you can now choose 50 colors and their 8 common trim finishes. Blue Star manufactures 1,000 colors and 10 trims with the ability to customize. Now over 75% of Blue Star and La Cornue are ordered in a custom color at Yale. Other companies offering color are Viking with 17. The Italian ranges like Bertazzoni have several as well. The best strategy for color is to use it as a focal point. You might be tempted to add color to your whole kitchen, but you might be hesitant to add color at all. However, a pop of color is interesting and distinctive without being overwhelming. I always use orange as an example. Once I had a customer who was from Tennessee and wanted all orange appliances. Burnt orange is the University of Tennessee's color. I remember thinking, you live in Massachusetts, what's the resale value of an all-orange kitchen in Boston? This brings us to where it can all go wrong. If you buy that all-orange kitchen, you also have to need to worry about replacement as manufacturers can discontinue colors. When choosing a colorful finish in your appliances, you also run the risk of that color being dated, especially as a package of kitchen appliances. Remember when salmon was in the bathroom toilets and vanities in the 1980s? Salmon finish was a euphemism for pink. The problem with trendy colors as a package is they will eventually be off trend. You have alternatives, but the magnetic pull to stainless steel appliances may be too great. So here's why you shouldn't feel so bad buying it. Stainless steel is easy. It matches every cabinet type from modern to traditional and will probably never go out of style. Stainless is also inexpensive compared to other finishes. It also wears better and is simpler to clean. You do have options. Black and white are back as finishes. Colors are unique and should be considered in some cases. If you want a unique kitchen, consider a pop of color as a design element on your stove or refrigerator. Then again, after watching this, you might find stainless steel is not a bad option. Click the link to download our free appliance buying guide with comparisons of all the most popular brands, answers to frequently asked questions, and buying strategies to save you money. Almost 1 million people have found answers in the Yale Guide. Thanks for watching.